Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Already on the streets, and I got something to start my morning off with. So far it's a beautiful morning. Chair. I don't want the mop. I'll leave that. But something to start out with, actually. Bouncy, bouncy. All right. Down the road, see if we can find a load of scrap, fill the truck, make a trip to the scrap yard, make a few bucks, put some gas back in the truck anyway. But who knows? Let's go see. I think I spot an electric motor, maybe. Yeah, ceiling fan of some sort. Huh. Oh, that's interesting. Can't say I've seen one like that before. Yeah, a little bit of wire. Put the cutters back. You guys do realize it's November next month, right? Yeah. Got some more goodies. You know, I was talking in the past about the scrapyard I use, you know, being very particular, thorough, whatever you want to call it, about taking things, you know, and they won't take a vacuum cleaner like this. So of course I'm just going to cut the cords. But I always thought it was strange that they will take this. Now this, you know, I mean, it's got a lot of plastic on it too, but they will take this with no problem. There we go. Yeah, I don't know why, but they will take an electric leaf blower. Yeah, blower. It's metal. It's in the box. It's all right. I'm just scrapping.
I got a mattress. Do you scrap mattress?
No, no. I appreciate it though. Umbrella for me. Strip it a little bit here. Come on. Turn, turn, turn. And drops it anyway. Come on, cooperate. Oh, really? Got Velcro ties on it too. Come on, come off of there. There we go. That one wasn't going to fall off. You in the corner. There we go. Something else to add. These folks always have something. Metal too, huh? Interesting. Let me stick this over here. That's kind of awkward. Up there. I'm gonna save that. That's a good little odds and end bucket when I'm processing stuff in the backyard. How tall are? It's not that tall. Go ahead and stick it up here. Fit through there? Yes. There we go. Got some beach chairs and a boogie board. Oh, a couple boogie board, huh? Beach going kit. Plenty of room for a couple of chairs. And let's see what's next. Possible bed rails. Yes. Some kind of bed rail. Yeah. Water everywhere. Stay. You're not going to listen, are you? Cooperate, please. Didn't lose an eye. More stuff to add. Ooh. Washing machine. I want a washing machine. Let's see here. Fit up in there or not, but we'll find out, right? Oh, that one's on there. Oh, I got something for that. Keep that. This one's not very heavy at all. Crash in the morning. That'll work. Got room for that? Perfect. Yeah, got room for this too, probably. All right. And I spot something just ahead. Let's not run over the basketball hoop sitting there. Ooh, sunshine, dirty windshield. Tabletop surface. Take that. That's cool. All right. Let me pop this top off. There. That. Save the screws. Into the garbage. And down the road. Little things. Christmas tree. I'm not going to unwrap this whole thing for a set of Christmas lights. That it? Boogie boards? No, thank you. All right, well, a little bit. I spot me a lamp, and there's an old barbecue hiding over there. Yep, this way. Ooh, is that a glass top? Yes, it is. Oh, and it's just got the bulb holding it on. Okay. That does not seem safe. Spin. Snap. Come on. There we go. Something like that. Let's go get a barbecue grill. That's plastic. Let's see. All right. Set that. Ashes. There we go. Let me get rid of that. Christmas lights. Grill plates. And I'll have to even take the tomato cage. Morning. There. And let's do a little squashy. I can tangle those up into. And nice ball of Christmas lights. I am totally blocking a driveway, but we'll try to be quick, right? Had a fellow walk me out a couple of things. What is that, like a muffler off of a small engine? Let's put that up there. Washer and dryer. Oh no, this one's got some weight to it. Cut the cord. I cut it from the wrong side. That's all right. Oh, let's see. Get this to pull off. There we go. Down there. Still got water in it. And my phone's in there ringing. One there. That one that way. Let me get my other strap. Actually, things have been kind of quiet this morning. Been riding around for quite a while now and haven't picked up a whole lot. So this is cool. We hit the 200-pound mark anyway. There we go. Tie that. And see if I can find some more. Something else I can throw on top of here. Glass table frame, no glass. Well, I'm gonna tell by the rust that it's just old steel, which is all right. Like that. Untie my cord. That'll work. Well, not too terribly much further to go. Look out, lizard. Run, buddy. Well, that's it for pickup. Now it's time to make a mess and dump some junk. Oh, junk everywhere. Lose the bungee cords. There we go. think that's got it. Back there. And let's go get a ticket, or get in line too. All right, that's it. All weighed out and paid out. I'm back at the homestead. What's the ticket say? 5,800 pounds, still at 6.5 cents a pound. So paid me $37.75. You know, it's kind of funny. There was actually a new young lady working at the scale, learning the scale. And after I weighed out, she handed me a ticket, and the total on it said $2,678. And I stopped and I told her, I was like, that might be the wrong ticket for me, because you know, there's no way my truck could hold that much tin shred. But also I wanted to go through this bucket. Fella flagged me down as I was driving by. He was dragging some stuff out and asked me, oh, you guys take wires and stuff, don't you? It's like, well, yes, I do. And actually all kinds of goodies in here. A lot of these strips and little extension cords, a lot of power cords, some extension cords, and of course everything is wet because it must have been out since overnight. But yeah, a bunch of cords, power cords for this and that. Got a shop light here. Ooh, what's in the box? What's in anything in the box? Something good? Nope. What's that for? I have no idea. But yeah, some cords, cut them up, throw them in with the bin with the rest of the stuff. Now a lot of these things like this, I've seen some of these adapters like this. Now a lot of these things you can actually either take the screws out or smash them to death with a hammer. And there's a lot of little brass nuggets in there actually. It's worth doing actually. I usually take a towel and put them in a towel and lay them on a brick and just beat them with a hammer. Somewhat satisfying actually. But folks, that's going to do it for me. So until next time.